In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view form field names in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're editing a form or trying to troubleshoot issues, knowing the names of your form fields is incredibly helpful. By the end of this guide, you'll be navigating Adobe Acrobat Pro DC like a pro, ready to inspect and manage your form fields with ease. First things first, you'll need to open the PDF document you want to work with in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you haven't launched the software yet, make sure it's installed on your computer and then double click the application icon to open it. Once the program is up and running, go ahead and open your PDF by dragging it into the window or by using the File menu to navigate to the Open option. This will bring up a dialog box where you can search for your file and select it to view in the application. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. You will notice a tab labeled All Tools. Click on this to access a wide array of functionalities provided by Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. In this toolbox, there's a feature called Prepare a Form. Selecting this option is your next step. It enables form editing mode, and you'll need this to view the form fields. This is crucial if you're preparing a document for filling out or you're checking the setup of an existing one. Now that you're in the form editing mode, you'll notice that Adobe Acrobat Pro DC helps make your life easier by highlighting form fields within the document. For a quick and straightforward check, you can hover your mouse over any field you're interested in. As you do this, the name of that particular form field will appear, providing you with instant insight. This is particularly useful if you're making adjustments or just need to ensure consistency across your document. Alternatively, for a comprehensive overview, look over at the Fields pane. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry, it should be located on the right side of your screen. The Fields pane lists all of the form field names within your document. This list view is ideal for making sure every field is properly named and accounted for, especially when working with documents that contain multiple interactive fields. And that's it! You now have a clear path to viewing form field names in any PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. With this skill, managing and editing your PDF forms should be smoother and much more intuitive. If you found this video helpful, consider exploring more of Adobe Acrobat's features to further enhance your PDF management skills. Thank you for watching and happy editing.